Hi, today I'm introducing Rosale, a ready-to-use Power BI sales dashboard specially designed for business in Dubai and growing organization across different regions. Rosale helps you convert your Excel, multiple Excel files, or database sales data into clean, professional, and interactive business dashboard. Instead of spending hours on manual Excel reporting, you can see your complete sales performance in just a few clicks. So this dashboard comes with a powerful features like currency converter, you to analyze your sales in multiple currencies such as dollar, pound, euro, baht, INR, and ringgit. So it also includes a reset button to quickly clear all filters, return to the default view along with last updated date, so you always know when your data was refreshed. Rosale can help you analyze 3 to 5 years of sales data by understanding and comparing current year and last year performance very easily. On the first page itself, you will be able to see top client, top product, plant wise what is your sales, region wise, customer wise, item group, customer, monthly analysis page which helps you compare year wise, month wise, both quantity and amount, with a beautiful toggle button which switch between amount and quantity, in between analysis with region, item group, and customer group. We have another page, month on month comparison, helps you compare last month sales, last year sales with current year month, with current year sales, with growing percentage or loss percentage. You can also track product wise monthly growth, quickly identify fast moving, stable and underperforming products. Rosale is built to save time, reduce manual work, and help business owner and sales analysis, sales manager make faster and smarter decisions. Just update your data, refresh Power BI, and complete sales insight is ready. Rosale, a professional Power BI sales dashboard for smarter business decision.